and welcome back to my channel. This is episode 5 of my Winter Beauty Basics series, and in this episode I will be showing you guys how I created these 4 beautiful winter hairstyles. I already blow dried my hair before, so it's optional. You can blow dry them, you can do it on your straight hair, curly hair, however you like. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For starting off with my first hairstyle, firstly I'm gonna side part my hair, and then I'm gonna take the smaller section of my hair and I'm gonna do a French braid on it. For doing the French braid, it's very easy and simple. It's just difficult when you're doing it for the first time, but if you do it with the practice, it's gonna come out even more neater and more beautiful. So for the French braid, what I usually do is I just simply take 3 strands and then I cross them over, and as I move forward, I take another chunk of hair from both the sides and just mix them with the rest of the braid. So that's how I do French braid. Let me know guys in the comment box below if you want to learn how to do French braid or Dutch braid or anything, okay? And once I am done with my French braid, I usually try to go till my ear. Once I'm done with the French braid, I secure it with the bobby pin and just make sure that it does not move or it wouldn't just pop open. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna hide my bobby pin with the rest of my hair and just comb through my hair to make it look more nicer and neater and detangled. For the second hairstyle, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna diagonally create a French braid on my crown area. And for the French braid, we have to do the same thing as we did in last hairstyle, taking the 3 strands and just pulling them over each other and then adding more hair as we go down. So for this hairstyle, I'm gonna continue with my French braid until and up to the highest point of my head, that is the end of our crown area. Once I'm done with it, I'm just gonna quickly pull the hair from my French braid, not too much, just a little bit, just to make it look more fluffier and poofier and voluminous. So after I'm done with the French braid, I'm just gonna put bobby pin on it, and also you can literally this hairstyle has so many variations. You can put it into a high half bun up to, or you can just create a high bun or a high ponytail, or you can just put a fancy rubber band or a fancy clip or a fancy bobby pin as well. All these hairstyles are so adorable, so easy to do, and you can do them every day. They are actually my go-to hairstyles for my everyday winter makeup looks. They just suit with everything, even if you're wearing traditionals or if you're wearing Western clothes. It's just all in one. For my third hairstyle, I'm gonna create a ponytail with the French braid that I did in last hairstyle. So I'm gonna make a high ponytail and use just a regular black rubber band for it. And then I'm gonna, to make it look more fancier and cute, I'm gonna use a scarf and just wrap the scarf around my rubber band. and tie a knot on the top, and I'm gonna leave the sides of the scarf hanging out so that it looks very cute and adorable. I'm gonna also fluff up my pony just to make it look more voluminous. The fourth hairstyle, I'm gonna create a messy low bun. So for that, all I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna use any comb or brush to make my hair look neater or nicer. I'm just gonna use my fingers, just brush it with my fingers and tie it in a low ponytail with a simple black rubber band. Once I'm done with tying my hair in a low ponytail, all I'm gonna do is twist my hair and just wrap it in a bun. And I'm gonna use bobby pins to secure my bun. And I'm gonna make sure that I put a lot of bobby pins so that my bun doesn't open in the middle of something. Also, I have bangs, so I put some bobby pins on top of my head just to make sure that my bangs don't come out. But you can also skip this part if you want your bangs to come on your face, or if you don't have any bangs at all. For making it look more cuter and fancier, I'm gonna use my silk scarf and I'm just gonna wrap it around my bun, and voila, I'm done with my hairstyles. This is so adorable. This looks so cute, all of them. You can use them daily. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was very helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.